pissing the bird off.
Bye, bye.
He jumped from here on my car up to the wall right there. And he's so close. Oh my gosh, I didn't think he could do
He's so close
it.
to flying me with hard heels. Don't fall yet, Ollie. I know you can do it. I know you can do it.
Bird's gonna dive bomb him in a minute.
It's gonna dive bomb in a minute.
Oh my gosh.
Hi, hi. Hi, birdie. Oh, there you are. Ollie's just a great putty pooty.
Now what, Ollie?
What, Ollie? I bet I'll do that. I bet I can do
He
that.
thinks he's Spider-Man. Up or down? He doesn't want to go down.
I think he's scared. I stepped on dog poop. I mean,
Bird.